Hey there everyone, welcome back to another tech video. Today we're gonna unbox one of the best gaming mouse in the market available today, the Logitech G502. So let's get started. So in the first look we get to see the beautiful product photo here, the embedded design of G502 written over here and its branding, the Logitech. So without further ado, let's get into the box and see what all are the things available. So inside the box we find the main product, that is the mouse itself, some useless paperworks. I don't know who needs a manual to use a mouse. Anyways, thank you so very much Logitech for this clean but very huge size sticker, and of course the extra weights provided in case you feel the mouse very light. Coming to the actual product, the mouse is 132mm long and 75mm in wide. The design is kind of an angular structure with sharp triangular approaches. The mouse is very ergonomic to hold and it fits so well. The surface have the smoothness which is continued till the palm area too, so it feels so good to hold the mouse. On the other side, the things become little mechanical with sharp and polygonal switches. Obviously it's personal if you would like this kind of claw design of this mouse, but I feel the design is pretty good, gives a very gaming feel, exactly for whom this is made for. Speaking of the buttons, there are 6 distinguishable programmable buttons, although you can customize the primary and scroll wheels, altogether taking it to 11 programmable buttons. That's a lot. The highlight of the mouse, which is the scroll wheel, which is made of metal. This is basically Logitech's flywheel design button, which allows you to switch between standard mode and the free infinite scroll mode. This is how this works. There's a physical mechanical button wherein you can change between the modes. So when you're in the standard mode, once you click this mechanical switch, the scroll wheel gets converted into this infinite scroll. See, it doesn't even stop.
2,000 years later.
I feel this is very good for people who are working as a developer who needs to scroll down to many pages of codes, many lines of codes. The mouse has also got customizable LED logo panel and an indicator of different DPI options. Coming to the bottom of the mouse, you have this super easy to remove weight area where you can easily add or remove weights. The mouse comes with 6 3.6 gram weights which you can easily put here and is well distributed with angular shapes. The mouse feels so heavy with the weights in it. Also, last but not the least, the cable is braided and which is very awesome. So coming to its sensors, Logitech claims to be the best in the market and it's the most precise in the market available today, and the name given to this sensor is the Hero sensor, which is written in the box itself. It also has the resolution which is switchable from 100 to 16,000 dpi. Damn, that's a lot. At the last, coming to the price point, the price written above in the box is 6495, which is almost 6,500 rupees, but you can find this in much cheaper rates in Flipkart, Amazon, etc. So that's all with this amazing gaming mouse, that is the Logitech G502, and is very well recommended for any kind of gamers. I hope you liked the video. If you did, do not forget to hit the like button and let us know in the comment section below how did you find this amazing gaming mouse G502. Do not forget to share this video, and most important, do not forget to hit the subscribe button along with the bell notification so that you do not miss any of the updates.